this kontrabida era raw si Kapuso star Tom Rodriguez, kabilang ang kanyang role sa Unmarried, na kinilalang Best Supporting Actor sa 2025 Metro Manila Film Festival. Yan ang latest ni Athena Imperial.
And the award for Best Actor in Supporting Role goes to
Unmarried.
Kinilala ng Metro Manila Film Festival ang husay sa pag-arte ni Kapuso actor Tom Rodriguez bilang si Stephen, ang asawa ng character ni Angelica Panganiban sa pelikulang Unmarried. Wala raw kahit anong expectations ang aktor sa pagdalo sa MMFF Awards Night last weekend.
I was in shock. No, I didn't expect at all to be nominated or anything. Sinabi lang nila we're here to support Metro Manila Film Festival and support, of course, the whole cast was gonna be here. So nung tinawag yung pangalan ko sa nominees din, I was like, what?
Nagpapasalamat din si Tom sa lahat ng mga nanood at manonood ng pelikulang Pinoy ngayong holiday season.
It's nice na ngayon people are investing. Kasi, let's be honest, madaling ma-spoil na andyan na. Very accessible yung entertainment. Feel ko talaga sining yung kaluluwa ng mamamayang Pilipino. Kaya dapat binubuhay natin. And it's nice na mas pinaprioritize na natin ngayon with programs like such as these, Metro Manila Film Festival, na talaga inuuna natin yung sariling atin.
Kahit wala sa MMFF Awards Night venue, nanood daw ng programa ang kanyang non-showbiz wife at anak, na aniya ay biggest cheerleaders niya.
My son was asleep but he woke up when my wife shouted. Yeah, nanonood siya sa live stream. Pag upo ko, may message na siya na congratulations kaagad. Kaya this is for them.
Kwento pa ni Tom, compliment daw na nakita siya ng mga hurado bilang effective na kontrabida.
I'm happy that the jurors also saw that it was just a role. Na yun nga, that they were able to separate Tom from Stephen. For them to recognize it, kaya I'm so thankful.
Sa Encantadia Chronicles Sangre, si Tom ang gumaganap bilang si Gargat, ang pinakabagong kontrabida ng fantaserye.
I'm loving my kontrabida era. This is my third na. I did Lilet Matias last year, Gargan ngayon sa Encantadia, tapos ngayon for Unmarried. Kaya please give me more.
Athena Imperial, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.